In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to find bases in Minecraft Bedrock Donut SMP. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting some very basic tips that might help you find bases so you can raid them and look for items, loot, and other stuff. When you first join Donut SMP, you will be able to spawn around randomly and look for blocks and stuff that other players have interacted with. So in this example here, you can see that these trees have been broken, and I found a bunch of obsidian lying around randomly. What this tells me is that there is player activity in this area, so this could indicate that someone has walked around here. And as you can see, we can confirm this because there is a crafting table placed down. So if I were to explore around these chunks, it is very likely that I would bump across someone, either an individual player or I would be able to find their base. And that is the main tip that I can give you to find other people. Just look for player activity. So right here, for example, there's a random ender chest just dropped in the middle of nowhere, which means that players have been walking around these coordinates. So you must walk around and try to find any structures whenever you come across terrain that has been modified by players. So I could try digging below here, because someone made a giant pillar. This could indicate that they tried to mark their base, or that they live nearby. And once you find these chunks that have been altered by players, you just have to follow the trail. If you have a pickaxe and a shovel, I would recommend digging down and especially looking inside of caves. Usually people will try to hide below the surface because that way it is even harder to find. So all that you have to do is spawn randomly and try to look for terrain that has been altered by other people online. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.